Tuna Croquettes. Ingredients: 1 can of Bumblebee registered solid white albacore tuna. 1 large potato boiled. 1 tablespoon of butter. 2 tablespoons of diced sauteed white onion. 1 clove of garlic finely chopped. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley finely chopped. 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs. Oil for frying. Instructions: combine the cooked potato with the butter, salt, and pepper and mash until smooth. Add the Bumblebee registered solid white albacore tuna, parsley, garlic, and onion and add ½ cup of breadcrumbs. Form the mixture into the desired shape to form the croquette, then coat in the remaining breadcrumbs. Fry in a hot frying pan with oil until cooked through and browned on all sides.